A very special movie debuted today at the Egyptian Theater in Boise. It's called The WonderGrove Wizard of Oz.
I'm not worried at all.
Now, the WonderGrove Wizard of Oz made history. It's the first time an animated film was made entirely by grade school kids, all from one state. In this case, you guessed it, Idaho. The students are from Melba and Notus in Melba. In this version of The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy is nervous about her first day of middle school, transitioning from elementary school. The story reveals how she overcomes her fears with the help of her friends.
So it's a very uplifting movie. We've just taken the traditional story and made it relevant to kids because that is a challenge that every kid has, which is making the transition from elementary school to middle school, and that's Dorothy's journey.
Nearly 600 kids worked on the film. It was funded through a grant from the Idaho STEM Action Center.